Assalamu alaikum. So today I will discuss chapter number 5, integrals. Okay. So let me start from here. Chapter number 5, integrals. See this. Chapter number 5, integrals. Okay. This point, the indefinite integrals. Indefinite integrals. Okay. Let me define the indefinite integrals. The process of finding the antiderivative of a function f on an open interval is called integration. Okay. The process यानी तरीका, finding the anti derivative यानी opposite तफादुल of a function f on an open interval is called integration, called takamul. Okay. So तरीका to find opposite tafadul is called takamul. Opposite of tafadul, how to find opposite of tafadul is called takamul. This is written here. The process of finding the antiderivative of a function f on an open interval is called integration. Okay, such that, look here, if tafadul of this capital Fx equal to this small fx, then this is the symbol of takamul. Takamul of small fx equal to this capital Fx, suppose it, n plus c, and this c is called the constant of integration, constant of takamul. Okay, so let me write here. Suppose if other suppose tafadul of capital Fx, tafadul of capital, if tafadul derivative of capital Fx is small fx, okay, then this is the sign, elongated s, this is the sign of takamul, other sign of takamul. Tafadul capital Fx equal to small fx, okay, then takamul small fx, opposite takamul small fx, and you write fx here dx, fx dx, here fx dx, hada symbol, hada ishara, hada takamul fx and this dx, this equal to takamul hada, this opposite, this one, capital Fx, and here you will write one constant c, yani constant of integration. This is called, this c is called here constant of integration. This c is constant of integration, right? So just you understand here, if tafadul of this capital Fx equal to hada small fx, then hada takamul yani this symbol, takamul of small fx, opposite takamul of this small fx, and here write dx with respect to x, dx equal to this capital Fx, and plus here write plus c, and this c is called constant of integration. Okay, constant of takamul, So here some Kanun, remember this table. Look over here. This one, opposite of this, Tafadul x equal to Wahid. Okay, then Hada. Takamul Wahid dx equal to x, opposite here x. Tafadul x equal to Wahid, then Takamul Wahid and dx Hada, Isha Hada symbol. Wahid dx equal to x and plus here c all the time, x plus c, right? Now see this, Takamul x power r dx equal to x power r plus 1 and plus c. So let me write here. Remember this all. Tafadul Hada equal to this x power r. Then Takamul x power r equal to opposite this one. Takamul Hada is Hada. Okay. Now Tafadul sin x equal to cosine x. Then Takamul cosine x dx equal to sin x and plus c. Plus c here write all the time. Here look. Tafadul minus cosine x equal to sin x. Then Takamul sin x dx equal to minus cosine x and plus c. Takamul Hada sin x is this minus sin cosine x, and this write all the time c, constant of integration. Here look, Tafadul tangent x equal to sec terbiya x. Then Takamul sec terbiya x and Takamul Hada opposite sec terbiya x dx equal to tangent x plus c. Okay, and here Tafadul minus cotangent x equal to cosec square x. Then here Takamul cosec square x dx equal to minus cotangent x plus c. And here Tafadul sec x equal to sec x tan x. Then Takamul Hada, Takamul sec x tan x dx equal to sec x plus c. You have to remember here. It's all opposite. Here Takamul cosec x cotangent x dx equal to minus cosec x plus c. Tafadul Hada, this one. Then Takamul Hada, this one here. And plus c all the time in Takamul, constant of integration. Okay. Tafadul e power x equal to e power x, then Takamul e power x dx equal to e power x plus c. Okay. You have to remember. Tafadul b power x ala ln v equal to b power x. Then Takamul b power x dx. Takamul Hada is Hada. This one b power x upon ln v plus c. Okay. Now look, you know this. Tafadul ln x equal to Wahid ala x. Then Takamul Wahid ala x. Takamul Hada is Hada. Ln x plus c. You know this. Tafadul tangent inverse x equal to Wahid ala 1 plus x tarbiya. So Takamul Wahid ala 1 plus x tarbiya dx equal to tangent inverse x. Takamul Hada is Hada. Opposite. And plus c all the time here. In indefinite integral plus c all the time right here. Tafadul sin inverse x equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Then Takamul 1 upon under root 1 minus x square dx equal to sin inverse x. Takamul Hada is Hada, opposite. And plus c. And Tafadul sec inverse x equal to Wahid ala x under root x square minus 1. Then Takamul Wahid ala x under root x square minus 1 dx equal to sec inverse x plus c. Okay, you have to remember, right? You have to remember this. Ada, Sullokanu. You have to remember this table. Now come to the question. Let me start from here. review inshallah yamal maybe tomorrow fi muhadara, maybe bukra or and yamal ahad, right? Okay. Abdul Wahid. اختبار يوم الأحد الساعة 12 12 to 1. Okay. المحاضرة صباح محاضرة الساعة 8 ما في مشكلة. Now look over here. Come to the question. See this one. Example. Find the integral of the following function. So now look, I told you here, see this. Integral all the time you will write hada takamul, hada sign of takamul, hada. Elongated s like that. Hada takamul, and here you will write function fx and hada dx. Right? This one and this dx. If function is fx, function of x, then hada dx. Okay, all the time. This is the ishara. Hada elongated x and with this dx. Okay, this is ishara. Okay, now look, you know this. See this example now. See this example. Find the integral of the following functions. Okay, number one, this hada integral. Find this integral wahid dx. Hada wahid dx. Okay, how to write this wahid dx? Wahid dx means, you know this. Wahid dx means you can write. Wahid means what? Wahid means x power sifar. X power sifar dx. Right? And what is Kanun? I told you. Remember this. Hada Kanun. Hada Kanun. Integral. If you write here x power n dx is equal to x power n zayed 1 ala here n zayed 1 and plus here all the time c. Hada Kanun. If here n मौजूद power n, then hina come power n zayed wahid and tahat come power n zayed wahid and plus c here all the time. Okay, so hina power come, hina power मौजूद सिफर, n इसावी सिफर, so come is hina x power, here is x power सिफर zayed 1 and ala सिफर zayed 1 and plus c here. Okay, this equal to what? X power सिफर zayed 1 यानी x power 1 यानी x power 1 यानी x and तहत कम 0 plus 1 यानी 1 and plus c here. This means what? This x ala wahid yani x and plus c. Hada. So hada answer. Okay. So this means what here? Wahid dx. Wahid dx yani what? Takamul dx hada. Bas hada. Wahid dx means what? Takamul dx. Takamul dx equal to come x plus c. This one. Just remember. So here takamul dx yusavi x and plus c. Takamul dx equal to x and plus c are the constant of integration. Right? Clear? वाहिद तकामुल वाहिद dx यानी तकामुल dx फकत। Look here, I told you here. ये तकामुल, okay. If هنا موجود فقط dx, okay, right? This, if you take here wahid dx यानी wahid dx यानी what? Dx is equal to, remember this, wahid dx equal to x and plus c, right? And how is it this? This wahid यानी what? This wahid यानी x power 0. And if you solve this by kanun, you will get this x and plus c, right? So just you remember this. You remember this dx, takamul dx equal to x and plus c hada constant of integration all the time. So just remember this. I am coming to your question. Okay. Now see this question. Hada come if here mawjood takamul this see this one number 2 takamul this takamul here if here mawjood x dx. So hada come x dx yani hada function x means what? X power hina wahid, x power wahid, n yusabi wahid. So kaif uktub hada by kanun here mawjood. See this kanun hina mawjood तकामुल x पावर n कम x पावर n जायद 1 आला n plus 1 n plus c here. So hina n इसावी कम here वाहिद मौजूद x पावर वाहिद. So here उक्तो x power n इसावी वाहिद n जायद वाहिद and आला 1 plus 1 by using this kanun. Okay, n plus c here, right? So this equal to what? X power 1 plus 1 यानी x तरबिया आला इतने n plus c, right? So this is answer x. If hina wahid mawjood x power wahid, then hina is tarbiya wahid plus 1 yani 1 tarbiya and tahat 1 plus 1 yani 2. If hina wahid, then here is 2 and here is 2 and plus c hada. Understand? Now see this one. See this. What is this? Takamul. This takamul. If hina mawjood x tarbiya and dx. Hada all the time right. Takamul hada ishara and with this hada dx. Hada function, okay? X power 2. So here n yusawi 2. So kaif uktu hada? N yusawi 2 yani n yusawi 2 hada and zayad 1. Hada kanun and tahat 2 zayad 1 and plus c. This one. So this equal to what? X power 3 divided by 3 and plus c. Hada answer. Okay? The common x power 2. Here n yusawi 2. Hada n yusawi 2. So what is kanun? N zayad 1 and here n hada zayad 1. This is kanun. How to write this? Takamul x power 3 if hina mawjood 3 dx. Hada kam here n yusawi talata. So here you write talata plus 1 and ala talata plus 1 and plus c here. So this equal to what? X power arba ala arba and plus c. Hada answer. Okay, this way. Now look. and if here موجود this تكامل واحد على x power 5 dx. هنا function this واحد على x power 5. So واحد على x power 5 you can write this way تكامل x power 5 موجود تحت. You can take fog. So this will be x power salib 5 هذا fog x power salib 5 dx. Now so هنا n يساوي كم؟ هنا n يساوي salib 5. So كيف اكتب here x power n يعني salib 5 n زائد واحد هذا قانون. n تحت n يساوي salib 5 n زائد 1 هذا قانون n plus c here. Okay, so this equal to what? x power salib 5 plus 1 salib 4 n ala salib 4 n plus c. Look here and here same all the time. This is kanun n plus 1 ala n plus 1 n plus c. Okay, right? And this equal to what? Here موजود salib 4. So you can write this way wahid ala minus 4 this minus still هذا minus still هنا ما في مشكلة. and تحت موجود 4 and this minus x power minus 4 still تحت. So this will be x power موجب 4 and plus c. You can write this way also. So تكامل واحد على x power 5 equal to minus 1 upon 4 x power 4 plus c this way, right? Okay, now see this how to find this takamul jadar x function is this and here dx. Okay, this equal to what? takamul this jadar x yani what? x power wahid ala 2 jadar x yani this n dx. Now tell me here n yusawi kam hada n yusawi nus. So كيف اكتب here x power n yani nus n زائد 1 هذا n ala n يساوي nus n زائد 1 this one n plus c here. Okay, so this equal to what? x power nus زائد 1 yani x power 3 على 2 انتهت nus yani 3 على 2 n plus c. Okay, so this equal to what? See this هذا تقسيم and هنا تقسيم. Then this change this 3 على 2 will change. This will be 2 على 3 and هنا ضرب x power 3 على 2 and plus c this one. Okay, this reverse this 2 reverse like that and is here 2 by 3 and هنا ضرب x power 3 على 2 and plus c هذا answer, right? See this here n يساوي هذا n this. So هنا n زائد 1 and هنا n زائد 1 هذا قانون तकामुल x power n dx equal to x power n زائد 1 على n زائد 1, right? See another question. तकामुल x power see this तकामुल x power 3 by 4 dx. Here n يساوي كم? n هذا n 3 by 4. So كيف اكتب तकामुल x power 3 by 4 dx equal to x power n यानी 3 على 4 n زائد 1 n هنا n यानी 3 على 4 زائد 1 n plus c here. Now هل هذا is equal to what? هذا كم x power 3 على 4 plus 1 x power 7 by 4 and هذا 7 by 4. See, this and this same all the time. Hada and hada same all the time. Okay, and plus c. Okay, so this equal to what? Same. Over here taksim and here tak again. So this arba here is the arba ala saba in dar. So arba ala saba and dar x power 7 ala arba and plus c. Hada answer. Okay. Yes, right. No problem. If you didn't multiply, you write like this. If you write like this here, if you write like here, it's okay, no problem. But sometimes in the question, easy hada choose, then you know this is 4 by 7 here easy. Okay, right? Now see this question. After that, so come over here. See this one. So now here some properties of integration, properties of indefinite integration. Okay, let me write here. See the properties number A. Suppose here मौजूद तकामुल and here मौजूद number, any number k, रकम हकीकी, हादा रकम हकीकी, and here मौजूद function fx dx. Okay, so this equal to how to write? See, हादा रकम हकीकी number and हादा function. Okay, so this रकम हकीकी seal barra here. Same like tafadul, रकम हकीकी seal barra and then हादा तकामुल function fx dx. हादा number 1. This रकम हकीकी barra, if in a function मौजूद, then this रकम हकीकी barra and then this तकामुल function fx and then dx, this one, and plus c here all the time, here plus c right here. After takamul look to plus c after, right, and number b look over here. If here takamul two function fx plus gx, fx plus gx and dx, then here only distribute here is equal to what? तकामुल अव्वल function fx dx and जायद हिना मौजूद जायद c जायद तकामुल same like तफादुल, if two functions जायद then distribute gx dx. Okay, and if here मौजूद minus, then हिना is minus also. If plus then plus, minus then minus. तकामुल fx dx. Right? Now see the question. Just remember this. Just distribute here, same like. See this example. Evaluate the following integral. Number A. Number A is this. Other integral. Takamul. This one. Takamul arba. Here cosine x dx. Now look, this same like this. Here number मौजूद and here मौजूद function आधा and here the same like this A. Okay. So how to find this? Here number seal bar of this equal to this number यानी arba seal out, and then takamul this sin x dx. Okay, and this equal to what is 4, and the takamul cosine x dx मौजूद in the jadwal table कानून takamul cosine x dx equal to sin x هذا takamul cosine x dx equal to sin x. Okay, and plus c هنا اكتب आخر plus c. هذا answer 4 sin x plus c. Okay, and here look, number b here, takamul x plus x tarbiya dx. Number b is this, takamul x plus x tarbiya dx هذا. So هنا plus موجود, two function هنا موجود plus, so just distribute this. أول اكتب this takamul أول function x dx and plus هنا plus موجود, sin ثاني takamul x tarbiya and then dx, and this equal to what? So هنا موجود واحد x यानी x power 1 n يساوي 1. so كيف اكتب تكامل هذا؟ تكامل هذا x power n يعني هذا n plus 1 n plus 1 n على n plus 1 1 plus 1 and plus here تكامل هذا كم؟ هنا n يساوي 2 هذا 2 this n يساوي 2, so x power هنا 2 زائد 1 n على 2 زائد 1. okay, and هنا آخر اكتب c plus c, right? so هذا كم؟ this equal to this x tarbiya like n and plus here x power talata ala talata and plus here आके c. هذا answer. Serious. तकामुल x जायद x तरबिया dx equal to तकामुल x dx जायद तकामुल x तरबिया dx. just distribute. okay, if plus मौजूद between two function plus मौजूद, just distribute same like tafadul. okay, distribute and baden seal takamul here, right? here first awal function and zayed tani function, so here awal function takamul and zayed tani function takamul, just distribute here plus any plus. okay, so takamul hada this one and takamul this one, right? now see this question. Question number see this one, number C. Number C is this. Takamul cosine x ala sin tarbiya x dx. Cosine x ala sin tarbiya x dx. Number C is this. Takamul cosine x ala sin tarbiya x is dx. How to solve this? Look, this equal to, you can write this way. Takamul hina मौजूद cosine x. Okay, you can write this cosine x ala is sin tarbiya x yani what? Sin tarbiya x yani sin x darb sin x 2 times ina tarbiya मौजूद yani sin x darb sin x. you can write this way. okay, and this you can write this way. this equal to, you can write this takamul cosine x ala hada sin x, and you can write darb wahid ala this sin x. same cosine x darb wahid kam cosine x, and hada sin x darb sin x hada same thing. You can write this way. Okay. So this equal to what? See this. This equal to, so father, cosine x ala sin x. Cosine x ala sin x यानी cotangent x. Cosine x ala sin x यानी cotangent x. And there, वाहिद ala sin x युसावी cosec x and then dx هذا. So هذا कम يجي तकामुल cot x दर cosec x dx and هذا कानून मौजूद इन द जदवल. هذا कानून मौजूद इन द जदवल. तकामुल cosec x दर cot x dx equal to minus cosec x. هذا कानून and plus c here आके. هذا answer. Okay. So when you break this like this one and after that like this one, so this cosine x ala sin x is this cotangent x and wahid ala sin x is cosec x. Okay. And baden hada kanun takamul cosec x the cotangent x dx equal to salib cosec x मौजूद in the jadwal. See the jadwal table मौजूद hada kanun. Okay. Now see this question. Next one. Look over here. Next question is this. Next question is this. Number D. Takamul T Tarbiya Salib 2 T power 4 ala T power 4 dt. So let me write here one more thing. Just you look, you write here Takamul fx and then dx. Takamul fx and then dx. Okay. So if here मौजूद Takamul ft is function of t ft, then you will here write dt. If here मौजूद ft, then you will write here dt. If here मौजूद fx, then you will write here dx. Okay, you know this takamul x power n, here x, then here dx. Other come x power n zayed 1 ala n zayed 1 n plus c. Okay, but if hina मौजूद takamul, suppose hina मौजूद not x, t power n. If hina t मौजूद, then here to dt with respect to t dt like that. And the same kanun here t power n zayed 1 ala n zayed 1 and plus c here. The same thing, no change. If this x change in a t, then this dx any dt. If in a t, then in a dt. If in a x, then in a dx, like that. Okay? Don't confuse. If x change t, then that will be dt, the Takamul t power n dt, like that. Okay? Right? Now see this question. What is the question here? Question is this. T Tarbiya Salib 2t power 4. D is this. Question D is this. Takamul t tarbiya salib 2t power 4 and hada kullu divided by t power 4. So hina kullu t, so hina ukto dt, t yani dt, right? T yani dt. This equal to what? How to solve this here? Hada kullu takamul t power kullu divided by t power 4. So you can separate this here. Takamul, you can write this way. T tarbiya ala t power 4. Hina mawjud salib. Salib here. Itnain t power 4 ala t power. Okay. And here dt. Now look here. Hada kam takamul. Hina mawjud tarbiya. So hada tarbiya cancel. Hina bagi arba, so hina 2. Tarbiya cancel bagi 2. So here bagi 1 ala t power 2. And salib hada t power 4 cancel. Hina bagi itne. And hina dt. Okay. Right here together. Right. And this equal to what? This equal to here takamul hada kam wahid ala t tarbiya yani t power minus 2 here. And hina mawjud hada minus 2 dt. Okay. And this equal to what? takamul hina mawjud salib hada awwal function hada thani function. So t power minus 2 dt here. Hada salib, so uktub hina salib and takamul, distribute this. Salib itne and here dt. Okay. And this equal to what? Hada n isawi 2 minus 2, n isawi minus 2. So hina kam is takamul t power minus 2 dt is t power n isawi minus 2 yani minus 2 zayed 1 and ala minus 2 zayed 1 and minus here. See, hada rakam hakiki 2. So rakam hakiki sil barra hina and the takamul dt, right? So hada kam is equal to t power hina kam salib itne zayed 1 yani salib wahid and ala hina salib wahid and minus hina mawjud 2. Hada kam takamul dt kam. Tell me here. I told you. Hada, see this kanun. Here, takamul dx equal to x plus c. Then takamul dt. dt come. If hina t, hina x, then hina x. If hina t, then hina t. t plus c. Hada. Takamul dx equal to x. So takamul dt equal to t. So this is 2t and plus c here. Okay. So this equal to what? See here. Hina mawjud minus 1. So t sil tahat will be 1 upon salib t. t power minus 1 tahat kam tahat t power mujab 1 hada and minus hada 2t and plus c hada answer, right? Okay. This is the answer. Just be careful. If here dx, then here x. If here dt, then here t. Okay. Now see the next question. Now see this one. Number F. Takamul cosec x and darb hina sin x zayed cotangent x hina dx. Okay. So hina darb cosec x darb sin x. So cosec x darb sin x here. And hina mawjud zayed. So hina mawjud zayed. Cosec x darb cotangent x. Cosec x darb cotangent x dx. Okay. So now look, hada cosec x darb sin x is 1. Cosec x darb sin x is 1. Hada kanun. Cosec x darb sin x is 1. And here cosec x darb cotangent x. Cosec x darb cotangent x. Okay. So now look. Hada tafadul. If we write this one, hada. If from here, hada if you write here, takamul. Hina mawjud wahid. Wahid dx. And then hada plus takamul distribute cosec x and then cotangent x dx. Okay. So takamul wahid dx yani takamul dx yani x hada this one and zayed takamul cosec x cotangent x dx hada kam hada kanun salib cosec x. So hada salib cosec x and plus c akhir here. The answer it is. Okay. So today I will stop here. Just you remember the rules for takamul. Okay. In next lecture I will discuss this integration by substitution. Integration by substitution. Okay. So today I will stop here. So any question? Yes. Yes, after Muhadra I will upload chapter 4 and 5. Just after Muhadra, inshallah. Maybe next class or maybe Yom Al-Ahad review. And I will upload midterm exam. Yes, I will upload. Okay. So thanks for joining today.